Hey everyone! Welcome back to another exciting episode where we dive into the world of sweet treats. Today, I'm taking you on a sweet journey inside the Snickers factory, where the magic happens. Ever wondered how your favorite chocolate bar is made? Well, you're in for a treat. Buckle up because we're diving into the delicious details of the Snickers bar creation process. First up, it all starts with the nougat. This is the heart of the Snickers bar. Snickers bars have a fluffy, chewy base made by whipping together sugar, corn syrup, and egg whites. This mixture is whipped to perfection, creating a light and airy texture. This creates that perfect foundation we all know and love. But wait, there's more. The nougat is then spread evenly onto large sheets. Once the nougat is set, it's cut into those familiar bar shapes that we recognize instantly. Next, we move to the caramel layer. This is where the gooey goodness comes in. This gooey goodness is made by cooking a mix of sugar, glucose syrup, and milk. The ingredients are carefully measured and mixed. It's heated until it reaches that perfect sticky consistency, ensuring it will blend seamlessly with the nougat. Then, it's poured over the nougat, creating a sweet, chewy duo that forms the core of the Snickers bar. Now here comes the crunch. This is what gives Snickers its unique texture. Roasted peanuts are scattered generously over the caramel, adding that extra crunch and savory flavor. These peanuts add that extra crunch and savory flavor that makes Snickers so irresistible. Did you know? The factory roasts its own peanuts to ensure they're just right. Pretty cool, huh? This step is crucial for achieving that perfect crunch. With the layers set, the bars are sliced and head straight to the enrobing line. What's that, you ask? It's where the magic happens. Each bar is coated in a smooth, luscious layer of milk chocolate. This step is essential for that final touch of sweetness. The chocolate is kept at the perfect temperature for that silky finish. This ensures the chocolate coats the bar evenly. Finally, the bars whiz through a cooling tunnel. This step is crucial for setting the chocolate. This ensures the chocolate sets just right, giving you that satisfying snap when you take a bite. Quality control checks are done to ensure perfection. Then, it's off to the packaging line, where each bar is wrapped and prepared for shipment. The bars are carefully inspected before being wrapped. So next time you unwrap a Snickers, you'll know just how much care and craftsmanship goes into each bar. From start to finish, it's a labor of love. From the nougat to the caramel, peanuts, and chocolate, it's a labor of love. Every step is meticulously carried out to ensure the best quality. Thanks for joining me on this sweet journey inside the Snickers factory. I hope you enjoyed learning about the process as much as I did. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe for more delicious content. See you next time. Stay sweet.